Hi, I'm Nick, a product manager here at Wheel. Today I'm going to walk you through our new tax rates feature, what's changed, and how to get set up. All transactions in Wheel, including card transactions, reimbursements, and invoice payments, now require users to select a tax rate like GST on expense or GST free. This is instead of the free text GST field that you're used to in Wheel today. You'll also notice on transactions that we now have a new wide view. This is useful when you have expenses with multiple line items. To split your expense into multiple line items, click Add New Line Item. However, selecting the right tax rates for multi-line receipts can be complicated for staff members, and if it's wrong on the expense, it's more work for the finance team to fix later. So we built Smart Tax Rates. With Smart Tax Rates, when you upload a receipt that is only partly taxable, Smart Tax Rates will split the expense into two separate line items. One is taxable and the other is non-taxable. In this example, we'll split this $18 transaction into $7 that is non-taxable and $11 that is taxable. Together, these two line items make up the total on the invoice amount and the transaction, and you can see that the total tax amount is calculated correctly too. So there's nothing for the finance team to go back and fix later. Smart Tax Rates will be turned on in your account automatically. But if you need to adjust this setting, come into Account Settings, AI and Automations, and turn on or off the feature. When first getting set up with tax rates, you'll want to review your tax rate settings. You do this in Settings, Expense Fields, Tax Rates, and click Edit Available Tax Rates. If you're integrated with an accounting system, your tax rates sync automatically and you can hide any tax rates you don't want visible in Wheel. If you're not directly integrated with an accounting system, we'll create default rates you can edit, add to, or delete. To add a new rate, click Add New Tax Rate, enter in the rate name, and the tax rate itself. In both cases, you'll also want to set a default rate for domestic and international transactions. These are applied automatically when Smart Tax Rates is off or when a tax invoice is not required. The tax rates applied to your expenses in Wheel will sync back on the expense to your accounting software automatically. Tax rates and Smart Tax Rate splitting is also available on the Wheel mobile app. Head to your Expense tab and open the expense. Upload a receipt and we will extract tax details and apply the correct tax rate, including splitting it into taxable and non-taxable portions, just like the web app. If you need any help as tax rate starts to roll out, please head to our help center or contact our friendly support team.